How to create YouTube Kids mobile. Hello everybody, if you are trying to create YouTube Kids account, you may follow the step. First of all, you may go ahead and open up the YouTube Kids application, and from the given interface, you may tap on Get Started and start up the process. Now you need to sign in with the parent's account. You can sign in and create a profile for each child. So if you choose to sign in, you will get more controls whether you want to allow lots of video or handpick your own. So tap on this arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and reach over the next space. Now what you can do is, since I've already created an account, I can directly, but if you want to create a new, you can look out for the sign in option and tap on it or skip. And you need to select up, you need to answer this question right here. So to continue, just go ahead and answer the question. You can just go ahead and do that. And once you answer the question, you need to choose a content experience for your child. So just go ahead and select your content experience. So if your child is age 4 and under, you can select preschool. Similarly, if he or she is younger, you can click on younger. And if it is he or she is older, you can click on the older version. So let's head over with the younger. After that, it will recommend the content. So you can just go ahead and select that. After that, you can take a tour of the parent features. So just go and look out for this and you can tap on done. Now, once that is done, you need to accept this privacy of consent and everything. So just go ahead and read that and tap on I agree in the bottom right. And that is it. This is how you create up your profile, your kid's profile. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.